Hi friends, now we are going to start mandatory steps to prepare your ABAP code for SAP HANA. This is the part 1. We will go to next slide to see what next. So here, which of my ABAP code must be changed to avoid potential functional issues that consist of below points. That point, first point is migration and upgrade overview. Second point is select statement in HANA. Third point is native SQL, hint and ADBC. Then first we are going to our first point, that is migrate to SAP Business Suite powered by SAP HANA. Here this is the landscape. That landscape consists of any SAP Business Suite that we can upgrade to SAP Business Suite ERP 6.0 or EHP 7. Then coming to SAP NativeWeaver as ABAP, where we are doing the front end code. That is the next upgrade version is SAP NativeWeaver as ABAP 7.4. Then we are using any database. That database is migrated to SAP HANA database. In overview things, if you will see, based on ABAP 7.0, call to 2-go release all SAP HANA based ABAP application. So here in this sense, we are upgrading any SAP Business Suite to SAP Business Suite ERP 6.0, EHP 7, SAP NativeWeaver as ABAP to SAP NativeWeaver as ABAP 7.4. Any database we are migrating to SAP HANA database. Any database means Oracle, Microsoft, whatever it may be. We are migrating to SAP's own database, SAP HANA database. Now we are going to the next step. That step is consist of select statement in HANA. How we are writing the select statement in HANA platform. HANA follows the SQL standard. Implicit behaviors of database are not guaranteed by the SQL standard. There is commonly held view that select statement returns the implicitly sorted by the user index. Another commonly held view is the select statement on pool or cluster table will always be returned to sorted by primary key. So this is not guaranteed by SQL standard. The SQL standard requires an order by statement to return the result set as sorted, or we can do sort by whatever the key we are using, that is the maybe the primary key. So programmers may not be aware that sorted result set is not expectable without an order by statement. Rather, they relied on the usual behavior of the previous database system. Whether this system also do not guarantee such behavior. It is simply due to their physical base. HANA will not return any result set sorted without order by. So now we are coming to see the example how the select statement in HANA we are using. The ABAP code realized on sorted database query results. This is the one query screenshot I attached here. That is select stand from EKPO into table its internal table for all entries in IT EKPO where EVLN equal to EKKO EVLN. Read the table EKPO into LEKPO with key EVLN equal to EVLP and EVLP value equal to EVLP, and we are keeping the binary search. But we did not sort that value, so it will not work properly. In the next screen, if you will see, select star from EKPO into table all entries in IT EKPO where EVLN equal to EKKO EVLN order by primary key. Read table IT EKPO into EKPO with same statement as previous. So if you will add the binary search, then we will get our result. So a binary search is a statement which works only for a correct sorted internal table. In this case, there is no explicit sorting of the query result done. Error in this code which may work by chance because database of index uses. Here we can do add explicit sorting by adding order by. Depending on the situation, it makes sense to remove the binary search instead. If we are using the above binary search and we are not using order by primary key, then we can write if size over equal to 0, then sort by EVLN. That is the primary key for that statement. Now we are going to see the next example. That example, if you we are using a select single statement with a non-unique where condition. The result is not guaranteed to be the unambiguous. That means this is an example of a single select statement where the result is non-ambiguous. The result could be any 5 airlines who uses the euro currency. So we can see that result here. If we are using select single character ID carrier name into corresponding field of the structure from this car, current code equal to UR, you will see the output as right side screenshot. The table SCR contains 5 entries with the currency code equal to EUR. So if you will go to example 2, then a better way to achieve an unambiguous result, it could be like below. Replace the single statement with up to one rows and order by the carrier ID. So accordingly we will see the result as highlighted in yellow, that 37 lines. So now we are coming to next topic, native SQL, hint and ADBC. Native SQL statement embedded in upon SQL or called via ADBC interface must be migrated to SAP HANA native SQL or OpenSQL. With native version 7.40 service pack 5, OpenSQL got extended to help to convert native SQL to OpenSQL. DB hint are DB specific and should be review. So here I place two example of native SQL and example of DB hint. Yeah, thank you.